Welcome back to my channel. T-Mobile Home Internet Setup. Unboxing and initial setup. Unbox the gateway. Start by unboxing your T-Mobile Internet gateway. This device is the central hub for your home internet connection. Placement. Place the gateway in a centrally located area close to an exterior window or wall. This will allow the signal to reach as many rooms as possible. The gateway also requires access to a power outlet. Power on. Connect the gateway's power cable to its power port. Plug the other end of the power cable into a grounded electrical outlet. Using the T-Mobile Internet app. Download the app for a more guided setup. Download the T-Mobile Internet app from your device's app store. Connecting devices. Once your network is set up, you can start connecting your devices. This includes smartphones, tablets, computers, smart TVs, and other smart home devices. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues, the app provides troubleshooting tips and can help you manage. Virtual assistance. T-Mobile offers virtual expert assistance for setup and troubleshooting, which can be accessed through their support channels. Mesh network. If you need to extend your Wi-Fi coverage, consider setting up a Wi-Fi mesh network. T-Mobile provides options for mesh access points to enhance coverage throughout your home. Thanks for watching.